a digital marketing agency with the name Digital Dynamics, and here on my screen you can see a Facebook page of my agency. As a business owner, I wanted to receive more leads for my business, and for that I'm running some meta ads. So now I wanted whenever I received a new lead through my meta ads, instantly that lead detail should be added in my Google Sheets as a new row with all the lead details, so that I can have a backup for all my leads in a proper organized format in my Google Sheets. But now manually adding the leads data into Google Sheets takes a lot of time. That's where I automated this entire process of data entry using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. Now, whenever I receive a new lead through my meta ad, instantly that lead is added in my Google Sheets as a new row. Sounds magical, right? So now here, before we talk about this entire process in detail, let me show you how it actually works by simply generating a test lead in my meta ads using a lead ads testing tool by Meta. For that, let me take you to Meta for Developers. This is my Meta for Developers account. Here I've already logged into my account. From here, select resources and then select developer tools. Under developer tools, you can see the option of lead ads RQ debug tool, and it will direct you to the lead ads testing tool by Meta. From here, I'm going to select my page as Digital Dynamics and the product as lead retrieval and my form. Then we're going to click on this preview form. Here you need to add the details. Firstly, click on this continue, and then here I'm going to add some dummy details. For the first name, I'm going to enter it as smart, last name as user, email as smart@pabblytudes.com, and for the phone number, I'm going to enter a random phone number. Then we are going to click on this continue and then submit. You can see we have successfully made a form submission over here. Now let's go and check our Google Sheets. And here you can see instantly a new data has been added in my Google Sheet where I've received the name, email and the contact number of my lead. And this automated entry has been made with this magical automation that I've created by connecting my Facebook lead ads with my Google Sheets. So now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation for your business too. So to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. First, if you're a new user, click on sign up for free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here, if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I have also attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the Access Now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now to build a new connection, we are going to create a workflow first, and you can see three methods. First, if you want to build a workflow step by step, select Create from Scratch. To build a workflow completely using AI prompts, use Create using AI, and for a quick workflow setup, use Quick Builder. Here I'm going to start a fresh chat and it is asking, hey, what would you like to automate today? So I'm going to describe my workflow and give it as a prompt to this Quick Workflow Builder. Let me add that. It says when a new lead comes in from Facebook lead ads, add it to Google Sheets. After analyzing my request, it is asking which Facebook leads ad trigger should start this workflow. So let's select new lead instant, and for Google Sheets, select add a new row. Here you can have a preview of your workflow. If it's correct, select approve and create, and here we have received our workflow link. So with this, we have successfully created a workflow using Quick Workflow Builder. Now let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's go into automation by simply setting up our trigger. Here we have selected app and the app event, and we are going to build a new connection firstly. Let's click on this connect with Facebook lead ads, and here I'm going to select my desired Facebook account. Then I'm going to give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Now you can see we are now successfully connected. Here I easily got connected because here I was already logged into my account in the same browser. Then here it is asking us to select the page name and the lead gen form. So I've already shown you that I have my page with the name Digital Dynamics, and for the lead gen form let me take you to Meta Business Suite. So we're going to select it, and under Meta Business Suite we are going to select all tools, then select instant forms. Okay, now here under this lead ads form, you can see the multiple forms that I have with different names. In this case, we are going to use this form that I have with the name new lead ads form copy. You can create the form as per your requirement. I'm going to select the same from the drop down. Here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then select all lead gen forms. Now after selecting the page and the lead gen form, I'm going to update this response format to simple because I want to receive the response in a simple organized format. Then you need to click on the save and send test request. Here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a response, I need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, I'm going to generate a test lead once again inside my Meta ads. So for that, let me take you back to my lead ads testing tool by Meta. And here you can see it says you can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead button, and it says your lead has been deleted. Now we are going to refresh the window, and that's a necessary step. Again, we are going to select our page as Digital Dynamics, our product and the form. Let's click on this preview form, and now we are going to add some dummy details. For the first name, I'm going to enter the name as latest, last name as user, email as latest@pabblytunes.com, and a random phone number. Then we are going to click on this continue and then submit. You can see we have successfully made a form submission over here. Let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received all the lead details. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. Once we have received a new lead through our Meta ads, instantly we are going to add them as a new row in my Google Sheets. For that, we are going to build a new connection, and then we are going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And then we are going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. You can see we're now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking me to select the spreadsheet and the sheet. So I have my spreadsheet with the name new leads and my sheet as sheet 1. Then here it is asking me for name, email and contact. So basically these are the fields that I've added over here in my Google Sheets. So instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that we're going to receive a new lead through our Meta ads. Instantly, this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here to map the data, we are going to enter slash first. Then here we are going to map the first name first. Then we are going to enter a space, and here we are going to map the last name. Then comes the email address. So we are going to map the email address first, and lastly the contact number. After adding the details, we are going to click on the save and send test request. You can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added the new detail in our Google Sheets. Let's go and check it. And you can see a new detail has been added over here successfully with all the lead details. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected our trigger as a Meta ads application, which is Facebook lead ads, and our action as Google Sheets. So that we're going to receive a new lead through our lead ad. Instantly that is going to be added in our Google Sheets as a new row. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to automatically add your Meta ad leads into Google Sheets. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this automation, you can create many more such automations with Pabbly Connect. If you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.